Hi, with me here is a Dahua NVR4432-EI. So it's an EI series, 4 hard disks, and it's an AI, that's why it's EI. But let's look at the functions it can give you: SMD+, perimeter protection, face recognition, AI search, some other features: smart H.265, alarm notification, 4K, Ultra HD. Then you can connect the mobile app, that is DMSS, 24/7 protection and wide compatibility for third-party cameras. Then we're just highlighting the WizSense technology, which is able to filter human and vehicles. It's able to give us less false alarms. Because of the false alarm filter. We have easy configuration, consider the Dahua 5E. Then we have the real-time notification on the mobile application. Let us open this box. Just open and let's see what is inside the package. So just clip here. Then after doing that, let's open it for the first time and see what comes in the packaging. So you'll notice distinctively there are two layers. The first layer is this small box, which I'll open, and let's see what's in the box. So inside the box we have the manuals, then we have the power cord, we have the SATA cables, we have a network cable, I have the track mounting accessory, plus the alarm and external port connection accessories. Then inside here we have a mouse. In addition to that, because this is a 4432-EI kind of NVR, so just allow me to pull it out. Let's look at the appearance. So just pulling out, then we look at it in a little bit detail and discuss, maybe highlight some features that you would see on this NVR. So one thing, this is the typical appearance of the NVR. I need to remove this paper so that it is super clear. So I'll just cut this. Then I will remove this first. Bear with me. Okay. Now I have the network recorder. This is a Dahua 4 series network recorder, 32 channel, non-PoE. And look at the front appearance. Compared to the traditional NVRs, there is only one interface here for USB connecting the mouse. Then there is a hard disk interface, network interface, and power indicator interfaces. So that is what you get on the front. On the side, we just get the product sticker, allowance for fan and air circulation. On the other side, the same case, allowance for air circulation. Then let's look at the NVR ports. Looking at the NVR ports, number one, have the power connection port, the fan, the rear fan, 2 network ports, the microphone, RS-232, VGA, HDMI, USB, and of course the alarm input ports. So with all these ports, it means this NVR is giving you so many capabilities. And with those capabilities, we're going to exploit this NVR together with the 5 series camera to achieve face recognition. The camera is doing face detection, the NVR is doing face recognition through AI by recorder. So stay tuned for this, as we are going to share more on Dahua products and solutions, and watch out for that specific video. Thank you.